Hello, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. Welcome to my channel. So, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD New Zealand dollar US dollar for 30th March 2021. So, this video and analysis is for 30th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 31st March. Yes, I bring videos in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. I bring videos in advance because see, there are certain levels in the market that do not change. Okay, therefore, I want you to trade better and so that you do not miss any trading opportunity. This is the main purpose of bringing videos in advance. Okay, so let's jump to the chart. So we can see that right now market is trading at 0.6993. This is the current market price, and you can see I have mentioned 50 MA as the resistance. Okay, and as I have mentioned in my previous video that yes, we need to wait for the market or price to go to the 50 moving average. Okay, to short the market, because in this video I'll be mentioning two trading opportunities according to my analysis and my point of view. The first best opportunity or the first best trading window will be short term market at the 50 moving average. Okay, so we need to wait for the market to go up. When the market will hit the 50 moving average, then observe the price. Okay, if you see that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market, because see, here it acted as a resistance, here also. So if 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market, you can short the market right away once you get the confirmation. So your confirmation can be in the form of a hammer. Okay, hammer kind of a pattern, price rejection from above like this, or a green candle, sorry, so not green, red candle like this. Okay, once you get the confirmation here, you can short the market. You can short the market just below the 50 moving average. So that is your first trading opportunity. Second trading opportunity is, as you can see, there is not much steam present in the market. Okay, market is trying to go up, but just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, just compare, wait, let me draw again. Just compare this portion with this portion. Okay, just compare the selling pressure against the buying pressure. Okay, this is the seller's part and this is the buyer's part. Okay, we can easily tell that yes, the steam is missing. Buyers are not in dominance right now. They are very weak in comparison to the sellers right now. Okay, so in case market doesn't go up, and if market comes down, then you need to wait for the market to cross this level, this particular level, 0.6945 level. Okay, in case market crosses this level, okay, wait for 2-3 hours and just observe the market. Okay, yes, I always say that observe the market, understand the market psychology, because understanding the market psychology is very important. Okay, so if market crosses this level, 0.6945 level, try to understand and observe the market psychology. If you see that after 2-3 hours market is trading comfortably below this level, okay, that means that yes, the resistance, the support has become the resistance now. Okay, this support has become the resistance now, and market is trading below this level. In that case, you can short the market. So the first trading opportunity is short term market at 50 moving average, and in case buyers fail to take the market upward, and if market falls, comes down, you can short the market below this level. Okay, just make sure that price is being supported by volume and understand the market cycle. If you see that yes, market is really being dominated by the sellers, okay, then you can short the market. So these are the trading opportunities where you can short the market. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. See you tomorrow again. All the best. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.